Today I'm going to show you a tasty solution for what to do with your Taco Tuesday leftovers. You're going to need some leftover seasoned meat, some sour cream, some tomato salsa, an avocado, a bag of corn chips, some tasty cheese, and last but not least, some tomatoes. Now I'd like you to go ahead and line your air fryer basket with some aluminium foil. Add a thin layer of corn chips on the bottom. Go ahead and bang on some of your salsa. Now add a generous layer of your grated cheese. Go ahead and create a thin layer with your leftover meat. Go ahead and repeat these steps again, creating a second layer of nacho goodness. If you're enjoying this, please go ahead and smash that like button, and also consider subscribing, as it really helps me to grow this channel and continue to make more content. Go ahead and bang the nachos in the air fryer. It's set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. That's 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's cooking, you'll have some time to prepare your avocado and tomatoes. Go ahead and chop your avocado in half and smush the contents into a bowl. Now go ahead and chop your tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Your 8 minutes are up now. Yum-ho, look how tasty that looks. Go ahead and carefully pick up your nachos by the aluminium foil and transfer it into a bowl. You can go ahead and bang on those tomatoes. Now some of that tasty avo. Last but not least, some sour cream. There you go, she's ready to eat. If you give this a go, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time that I'm cooking dinner.